guys, thanks so much for checking out the tour. So here we've got probably my favorite part of this house, which is the main level. You've got like a little den, almost like an extension to the living room here. This is the main living room with a wood burning fireplace. It's all freshly painted. You've got crown molding around the top. And then it just keeps going. You've got the dining room here with sliding glass doors that take you out to the patio. And then you've got a nice kitchen set up with the breakfast bar and everything. So enjoy the rest of the tour, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Still doing here? Well, if you're still here, I guess that means you enjoyed the tour. So why don't I tell you a little bit about this kitchen? So this kitchen is only about a year old. You've got quartz countertops with the breakfast bar here. You've got the gas range, stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel stove. Cabinets are all new, and you've got a beautiful tile backsplash. So you're really going to enjoy entertaining and just your day-to-day here in this kitchen. Well, thank you so much, and if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, have a great day.